Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 14, surface areas and value. That means cube and cuboid. In that exercise 14.2 fifth problem. Fifth problem is how many bricks will be required to build a wall of 8 meter long, 6 meter height and 22.5 centimeter thick if each brick measures 25 centimeter by 11.25 centimeter by 6 centimeters. So here they give measurements of wall and measurements of brick. So we have to find how many bricks will be required for that wall. So let's see the solution for this problem. So let's take a wall like this. First we have to find the total volume of the wall. So here the wall is like this. Length is 8 meters and thickness, that means breadth, is 22.5 centimeters and height, that means this one, height is 6 meters. So here they give length and height measurements in meters but thickness measurements in centimeters. So we have to translate length and height measurements in centimeters. So here length is 8 meters, 8 into 100 centimeter equal to 800 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. And height is 6 meters, 6 into 100 centimeter equal to 600 centimeters. So now we have all measurements in centimeters. Breadth is 22.5 centimeters. If we have wall like this, all these are the bricks. Let's draw bricks like this. So take wall like this with bricks. So here we have to find the total volume of the wall. So volume of the wall formula is equal to length into breadth into height. So here volume of the wall equal to length is 800 centimeters into next breadth is 22.5 centimeters into height is 600 centimeters. So here firstly we have to multiply 800 into 600. So 800 into 600 means 48 4 zeros. 8 6 are 48, 0000 is 4 zeros into 22.5. Here I am doing rough work. So 48 into 22.5. Multiplication is 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 into 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So here 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 12, plus 6 18, 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get 10 8 double zeros, but here we have 1 point before 1 digit, so we have point before 1 digit, so we get 1080, but here we have 4 zeros already, so we have to take that 4 zeros here. So the volume of the wall equal to 10800000 centimeter cube. Next, take a brick like this. If a brick like this, we have brick measurements. So here length equal to 25 centimeter, breadth into 11.25 centimeter, and height is 6 centimeters. So here we have already all measurements in centimeter, so we need not to translate anything. Directly we have to find the volume of brick. So here length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 11.25 centimeter, and height is 6 centimeters. So here directly we can do volume of brick equal to length into breadth into height. So here volume of brick is length is 25, breadth is 11.25, and height is 6. Here I am doing multiplication. 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30 and 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. So we get 150 into 11.25. So 15 into 11.25 by 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 into 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3 into 1 15s are 15, 1 15s are 15. Now we have to do addition. 5 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1. We have 168.75. Here we have point before 2 digits, so we get point before 2 digits. But here 10 we have, so into 10, then we get 1687.5. So this is the volume of the brick, 1687.5 centimeter cube. So here we have volume of the brick and volume of the wall. Here we have to find number of bricks in this wall. So the formula is volume of the wall equal to number of bricks in the wall into volume of the each brick. So here we have volume of the wall 108,000,000 centimeter cube and volume of the brick 1687.5 centimeter cube. So here we can substitute these values in this formula. So the volume of wall equal to 108,000,005. Here we have 5 zeros after 8. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Next, number of bricks means take it as small n into volume of bricks is 1687.5. So here n equal to 108,000,000 by 1687.5. Here we have 0.5 before one digit, so we can multiply with the 10 numerator and denominator. Then we get point after 5. So 1687.5. Here we multiplying with 10 numerator and denominator. So we get 108,000,000. We have 6 zeros after 8 by 16875. By doing 108,000,000 by 16875, then we get 64,000. That means 6400. Here n is number of bricks. So here we required 6400 bricks to complete this wall. If you have any doubts, then you can do this division. So the solution for this problem is 6400. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.